What's poppin', chef? In today's video, we'll be installing the ID Cleaner preset for FL Studio. You can find the ID Cleaner preset on my website or my Patreon. Both of the links will be in the description below. Now after you finish downloading it, you're going to want to open the folder where the ID Cleaner preset is located. You're going to want to locate the ID Cleaner preset most likely in your downloads folder. You're going to want to open it in the folder like I have to my left right here. For Windows users, you're going to want to open your documents folder. Then you're going to want to open up your image line folder. And then you're going to want to click on FL Studio. After you clicked on FL Studio, you're going to want to go to your presets. After you finish opening your presets folder, go to Mixer Presets and right click the ID Cleaner preset. Hit copy and go to the Mixer Presets and right click the folder and paste it in. Since I already have my ID Cleaner preset already installed, it's going to show this. I'm going to just replace it. After I'm finished replacing the ID Cleaner preset for me, I'm going to go to my FL Studio, go to my mixer, and I can right click any of these inserts, go to File, and now I'm going to just click on the ID Cleaner preset. And as you can see, the ID Cleaner preset is now activated. To tell it's activated, you can just play something. Push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like. And there you go. That's how you install the ID Cleaner preset on FL Studio. If you had any trouble installing the ID Cleaner preset, feel free to comment below, or you can talk to any of the chefs in the Discord server. And I'll see you in the next one.